గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. కళ్యాణ్ వినిపిస్తుందా? టుడే my topic is on sex linked inheritance. Sex linked inheritance, very important questions. The chromosomes are the carriers of genes. The genes are present both on autosomes and allosomes. Genes are present both in autosomes on and the allosomes. The genes present on the autosomes control the somatic characters, but the genes present on the sex chromosomes control the sex characters. However, certain genes are present on the sex chromosomes control the somatic characters. However, certain genes present on the sex chromosomes control the somatic characters. The transmission of the body characters from the parents to offspring along with the sex chromosomes is called sex-linked inheritance. The sex-linked inheritance was discovered by the T.H. Morgans, father of modern genetics, in Drosophila melanogaster. In Drosophila melanogaster, the genes controlling body characters located on the sex chromosomes are called sex-linked genes. The body characters other than sex characters controlled by the genes located on the sex chromosomes are called sex-linked characters. The following are the common example of sex-linked inheritance characters in man and Drosophila. There are color blindness and hemophilia. Third one, hypertrichosis and ichthyosis, hystix and high colors in Drosophila. The silent features of sex-linked inheritance. Kalyani silent lo adi mana mute lo pettuko. The body characters controlled by the genes located on sex chromosomes are called sex-linked characters. Very important. The sex-linked genes are located on X or Y both and X or Y chromosomes. The most of the sex-linked genes are located on the X chromosomes and their alleles are absent from Y chromosomes. Most of the sex-linked characters are receives sex-linked inheritance follow crisscross inheritance and zigzag. That is, the sex-linked characters is transmitted from the father to the grandsons through his daughters. The types of sex-linked inheritance. There are 5 types of sex-linked inheritance. There are X-linked inheritance and Y-linked inheritance. Third one is X and Y-linked inheritance. Fourth one is completely sex-linked inheritance. And fifth one is incompletely sex-linked inheritance. The sex-linked inheritance. Certain sex-linked genes are located only on X chromosomes and their alleles are absent from Y chromosomes. These genes are called X-linked genes. The characters controlled by the genes are located X-linked characters and there are modified inheritance is called X-linked inheritance. Example, color blindness and hemophilia and Duchenne, muscular dystrophy and high color in Drosophila and extra. Y-linked inheritance. The sex-linked genes located on Y chromosomes only are called Y-linked genes. The Y-linked genes are confined to the males only, hence there are called holondric genes. Whole is called whole and rose is called male. The genes are transmitted directly from the father to the son. Their mode of inheritance is called Y-linked inheritance. Example, hypertrichosis and ichthyosis by Strix. And XY linked inheritance. Certain sex-linked genes are located on both X and Y chromosomes. They are called XY linked genes, and their mode of inheritance is called XY linked inheritance. Example, xeroderma and pigmentosums, nephritis and retinitis pigments. Fourth one is completely sex-linked inheritance. The X and Y chromosomes are not similar. The X chromosome is larger and straight, but Y chromosome is smaller and one end of curved. The lower part of the X chromosomes is similar to the both and Y chromosomes. These two part are the called homologous regions. These have the same type of genes. The remaining part of the X and Y chromosomes are not similar, so there are called non-homologous regions, but they do not contain similar type of genes. The genes located on non-homologous regions inheritance together because crossing over does not occur in these regions. So the genes located on non-homologous regions are called completely sex-linked genes, and their inheritance is called completely sex-linked inheritance. Example, hemophilia and color blindness. Next one is incompletely sex-linked inheritance. The genes located on homologous regions of sex chromosomes do not inherit together because crossing over may occur in these regions. So these genes are called incompletely sex-linked genes, and their mode of inheritance is called incompletely sex-linked inheritance. Example, retinitis pigmentosa and nephritis. Sex-linked in Drosophila. The sex-linked was first discovered by the T.H. Morgan in 1910. The Morgan observed a few white high mutant males in the red-eyed in the first generations. All the males and females were red-eyed. First generation red-eyed females was crossed to a red-eyed males in the second generations. All the females were red-eyed and 50% male were white-eyed. This pattern of inheritance is called crisscross inheritance, in which a gene responsible for the white eyes is transmitted from a male present to a male grandchild through carriers females of the first generations, a father to daughters and grandsons. In a reciprocal cross in which a white-eyed female was crossed to the red-eyed the male, the result were different. The first generation's male offspring had white eyes, while the female offspring had red eyes. Morgan observed the difference was due to the inheritance of recessive genes located on the X chromosomes. Males always inherit the sex-linked recessive traits from the female parents. The sex-linked inheritance in human beings. The linkage is the pattern of inheritance that may result from a genes located on either the X or Y chromosomes. A number of X chromosomes of sex-linked characters are discovered in a man. A few are given below, and hemophilia and color blindness and Duchenne muscular dystrophy. First one is color blindness. The color blindness is a sex-linked characters discovered by Wilson in 1911. It is a X-linked receives genetic disorders Retina of the eye in man contains the cells sensitive to the red and green colors. The color blindness affected persons cannot red colors, green colors and blue colors are all the colors. The blindness to red is called protanopia. These persons cannot see red colors. The blindness to the green is called deuteranopia. These persons cannot see green colors. Blindness to blue is called tritanopia. Such persons cannot see blue colors. The color blindness caused by the recessive genes represented by CC, capital C, capital C. The normal persons contain the genes capital C, or capital C or small c or capital C alone. The recessive genes prevent the proper development of లైన్లో ఉండు వస్తుంది. The recessive genes prevent proper development colors. The normal presence of the recessive genes prevent the proper development of color sensitive. These alleles are absent from Y chromosomes. These characters are common in man but rare in women. When a normal woman possessing the dominant genes for normal visions marry colors.
సార్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది వాయిస్.
ఓకే సిగ్నల్ వస్తలేనట్టయింది. లైన్లో ఉండు, కట్ చేయకు. Their daughters
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
get one's earphone తీసేయి చెవులకించే. get one's genes for colors blindness from their father but they receive the dominant genes see from their mothers, so they are normal but they carry for the recessive genes on their X chromosomes. So daughters are called carriers because the carriers the genes for color blindness. The sons never get the disease because they receive their X chromosomes from the normal mother and Y chromosomes from their father, from which the allele genes is absent. When the carrier's woman marries a man with normal visions, all the daughters and half the sons, the normal vision of the from sons are color blindness. The color blindness trait is inheritance from a male present to the his grandsons through the carrier's daughters, which is in example crisscross inheritance. Next one is hemophilia. The hemophilia was discovered by John Cotto in 1803. In hemophilia individuals, the normal process of blood clotting is delayed or sometimes the blood fails to the clot, hence the bleed continuously from the wound. So hemophilia is also called bleeders diseases. The hemophilia is also the X-linked recessive genetic disorders. If the following the characters crisscross inheritance like that of color blindness. 3 types of hemophilia are found. The hemophilia A, the affected individuals is deficients of anti-hemophilic globulin or factors. It is more common. The hemophilia B, the affected individuals is deficients of plasma thromboplastin factors or factors 9. It is less in common. Hemophilia C, the affected individuals is deficients of plasma thromboplastin antecedents factors or factors 9. Hemophilia is caused by recessive genes represented by small h, and the normal conditions is due to dominant genes H. When a normal woman without hemophilia and marries with hemophilia male persons H, all the sons and daughters are normal but daughters are carriers. When carriers women marries with normal man, all the daughters and of the sons are normal and the other half of the sons are hemophilia. The hemophilia trait is inheritance. The male present parents to has grandson to carriers daughters, which is an example of crisscross patterns of inheritance. These diseases the appearance of mutant in Queen Victoria and the sons were transmitted for descendants. Hence, this disease is common among the royal family of Queen Victoria. This disease is called royal diseases. Next one, the Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The Duchenne muscular dystrophy is receive X-linked genetics disorders. The disease is characterized by the progressive weakening of the muscles and loss of coordinations. The disorder is caused by mutations in the dystrophin genes largest. Now the gene is women's located on the X chromosomes, which does for the proteins dystrophin an important structural component within muscles tissues. If the mother is now as the carriers of the genes, one half of the male children are expected to be affected. Other type of inheritance, the sex-limited inheritance and sex-limited characters. The sex-limited genes are autosomal genes of the both male and females whose phenotypic expression is limited to one sex only. Secondary sexual characters in the woman's beings like beard in man, breast secretions of milk, it is extra. In women are sex limited. The sex limited characters in the beings like beard in man's, the breast secretions of milk extra. In women are sex limited characters. Their expressions is limited to one sex due to the internal hormonal environment. The sex influence inheritance, the sex influence characters. The sex influenced genes are the autosomal genes in both males and females, whose phenotypic expressions is different in the different sexes. The dominant is in one sex and receives in the other patterns. Women sex limited. The sex influenced genes are the autosomal genes in the both males and females, whose phenotypic expression in different sexes, dominant in one sex and receives in the other patterns. Blindness in human beings and arms development in Dorset shape are the example of sex influenced characters. Blindness in man. The blindness is man is very good example for sex influenced characters. The patterns blindness is a condition of which fringe of the hair is present low on the head in human beings. It is a genetically inherited condition. The genes for blindness B is dominant in males and receives in the females. A male who is capital B and capital B will show severe blinding. A females which of the capital B will also affected and usually less severely within thinning of the hair rather than total loss in the heterozygous conditions. The males are blood and females are noble individuals of either male or female who are fully receives will not be affected. If a heterozygous non-blood woman marries heterozygous and blood man capital B and small b in the offspring, the ratio of blood to the non-blood males 3:1, while in females is 1:3. Next one is mutations. The mutations is a sudden change of the genes of chromosomes from one to another. The term mutations was introduced by the Hugo de Vries. Mutations are the basis of discontinuous variation in the populations. The types of mutations. Mutations are two types. There are chromosome mutations and second one is gene mutations. First one is chromosome mutations. The changes in the structures and numbers of chromosomes are called chromosomal mutations. The change in the structure of chromosomes. The chromosomes contain genes. The change in the structures of the chromosome bring about changes in the number and arrangement of genes. These are four types. There are deletions and duplication and inversion and translocations. Next one is deletions. Deletion is a chromosomal mutations where a segment of the chromosomes is lost. Deletion of two types, namely terminal deletions and intercalary deletions. In interminal deletions, a terminal segment is lost. In intercalary deletions, an intermediate segments of the chromosome is lost. In human babies, deletion of a segment of chromosomes numbers 5 autosomes causes a disease called Cri-du-Chat syndromes. The body creak like a cat. It is mentally retarded with small head. Next one is duplications. Duplication is a chromosomal mutations where a segment is repeated and a set of the genes is present in double during meiosis. The duplicated segment from a loop. The duplication is four types. There are tandem duplications and reverse tandem duplications. Third one is displaced duplication. Fourth one is transposed duplications. The tandem duplications. The tandem duplication, the extra part of the repeated just after the normal positions. For example, the example of the sequence of genes in a chromosomes and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and if the chromosomal segments containing the genes C, D, E is duplicated, the sequence of genes in tandem duplication will be A, B, C, D, E, C, D, E, F, G, H. The reverse tandem duplications are the sequence of genes in the duplicated regions of a chromosomes is just the reverse of a normal sequence in the above the maintains example. Therefore, the sequence of genes due to the reverse tandem duplication will be A, B, C, D, E, E, D, C, F, G, H. The displaced duplications. In these cases, the duplicated regions is not situated adjacent to the normal sections. The depending on their duplicated portions in is not the same side of the centromeres as the original sections are on the other side. The displaced duplications can be termed either homobranchial and heterobranchials. Transposed duplications are the duplicated portions of chromosomes become attached to the non-homologous chromosomes. For examples, ABCD, EF and GS and L, M, N, OPQR, ST. The represent the gene sequence of two non-homologous chromosomes. A transposer to duplications will result into chromosomes with genes sequence and ABCGH. The transposed duplication is two types. There are terminal duplications and interstitial duplications, and inversion. Third one is inversions. Inversions is a chromosomal mutations where a segment of chromosome break and renates in the reverse orders. In inversions, there is no loss or gain of genes, but the genes are regarding in reverse orders. Inversion is two types, namely pericentric inversion and paracentric inversions. In pericentric inversion, the centrosome is included in the inverted segments. In paracentric inversion, the centromere is not included on the inverted segments. The inversion is prevent the crossing over. The inversion produce variation and speciations. Translocations. The shifting of a part of the chromosome to a non-homologous one is called translocations. There is no additions or loss of genes during translocations, only rearrangement. Translocation might be of following three types. Simple translocations. They involve a single break in a chromosome. The broken peak gets attached to the one end on a non-homologous chromosomes. Shift translocations. In this type of translocation, the broken segments of chromosomes get inserted interstitially non-homologous chromosomes. Reciprocal translocations. In reciprocal translocations, two non-homologous chromosomes exchange between non-homologous part of the pair of chromosomes. The translocation can be homozygous or in heterozygous state. Change in the number of chromosomes. Change in the number of chromosomes is called ploidy. The ploids might be due to the change in the chromomeres or a set of chromosomes. Based on these three, there are two types of ploid. There are euploid and aneuploid. The euploids the chromosomes mutation involving change in the number of chromosome sets. It is two types. There are haploid and polyploid. The haploids and monoploids. The number of chromosomes is a basic sets called haploid. Each chromosome is represents singly that a number of the gametes carriers haploid numbers of chromosomes. During fertilization, the parental chromosomes unite together the fission of gametes forming diploid number of chromosomes. Polyploids. Any polyploids contains more than two sets of chromosomes is called polyploids. The polyploids organism might have 3, 4 or more sets of chromosomes, and there are called triploids, 3N, tetraploids, 4N, pentaploids, and 5N soon. The polyploids may be autoploids or alloploids. In autoploids, the chromosome sets are derived from the same species, so no addition of new genes occurs. But in alloploids, the chromosome sets are derived from the different species, to involve the additions of new genes. Hence much variations occur in the organisms. Last one is aneuploid. The aneuploids is a chromosome mutations where there are a gene or loss of one or more chromosomes in a set. Aneuploids is caused by the non-disjunctions non-disjunctions of chromosomes. The aneuploid is 3 types and monosomy and allosomy and trisomy. Thank you.